even realize. Smile.
I know, right?
Let me see.
Every angle.
For real, it's so beautiful.
Can I tell people about my coffee experience?
Yes, what did you do?
Okay, so I walked into like a Circle K and I made coffee with a machine in like a big cup, and I was trying to put a lid on it, and at the cash register I literally spilled the entire coffee all over the computer, the cash register, the little credit card thing, and then like all the gum and snacks.
Yep.
Dumb thing.
Ruin the computer or what?
I hope not. I think it was fine.
And
the lady said it was fine. I felt really bad.
She was gonna feed me the water here, so we were both about to get sick. We were about to get ill.
We would have been skinny though.
Yeah, well, I don't I don't think we would be able to leave the house. What is this? What? Oh, it's wet. How'd you feel about that?
Shower.
Okay. Ooh. She said, let me just show you your table, and then if you want to take pictures or anything. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's a... I can't believe this is real. Damn. All right.
I would delete that. The
What?
street is
It's gonna be after. We're super paranoid, but no, I'm posting the vlog probably a week after we leave.
Okay.
We're not tagging.
Don't
Welcome. I'll show more footage down there, but this little update. What have we done today so far? I woke up.
No, you did nothing.
I woke up this morning with Kira at 6 a.m.
No, you did not. You slept until 12.
I woke up
at 6
a.m. At 7 a.m. I worked out for 2 hours.
We had a yoga beach session.
Yeah, and then at 12, Kira all of a sudden just fell back asleep while, you know, after working out. It was weird. And I was like, get your bum ass, lazy ass up. We're on vacation. Food time. I didn't take y'all on the beach with us. But this bikini's 1-1. It's so flattering. There are pads in it, so it kind of adds a little love. Where are we?
In the middle of Mexico at dinner.
We're at Agave tonight in the middle of Mexico. We ventured out. We're in the middle.
We're not in the middle.
Okay.
We got in the shelf or ceviche de la
Oh
reina,
my god.
composed of shrimp, cauliflower, octopus, and
What? Say it again.
So I peed in the toilet first. I didn't flush because Sumner sat down. And you hear something go in the toilet.
No, I couldn't hear it go in the toilet. My
beads to the back of
my
her
bead
dress.
just clinked on the toilet seat,
And
and
I
I
was
thought
like-
it fell in.
And I was like, sis, that just literally went in the dirty water. And then
Yeah.
she touched it to make sure, but it didn't, so it's fine.
Hello.
Hello!
We in the bathroom.
If anyone from the UK is watching, why am I holding you? This can go. What is wrong with me? If anyone is from the UK watching this, the clock came up. Nothing y'all haven't seen before. Bye bye. Updates to come soon. I can feel the liquor.
You're supposed to be drinking.
I'm not drinking.
I think I swallowed a bug.
No way.
I'm not even kidding.
What did you do?
I just swallowed a bug.
Just holding traffic up in Mexico. Oh wait, that's our car.
Venga, si tú checas en no problem.
Oh, wait.
No problema.
Here, I'll put it on.
Oh, sorry, ya caí. Sorry, it's okay.
Is it amazing?
Hola, señoritas, ¿cómo están?
¿Cómo
Bienvenida a Cabo San Lucas. Qué bárbaro, mami. Vamos a like, man, video, man.
Vloggy vlog. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Freaking awesome.
Look at all the way down there. Just empty. Goddamn. Look over here too. Oh my gosh. Kara, look at me. See that hair?
Oh, get a close up.
Wow.
I'm
literally
going to be,
coated in dust.
I'm gonna cut this off and make it a wig, and I can probably sell it
For $5.
not even.
Thank you.
Why, matey?
Ooh. I like that.
The house we're at is insane. I can't wait to give you guys a tour. There's literally spikes. Look how, yeah, don't want anyone getting in. So we're filming here today, and then we're not staying here, we're staying at another one that's really similar. This is the fit. Damn, this is a push-up swimming. Damn. Damn. Oh my god. I want the fires to be on. Wait, so there's, oh yeah, 1, 2. This is just the hall to the house. No, you're fine. Spa. When the rooms are titled. Shut up. Yeah. Here's pool number 1. Here's the view. Wait, we can go in through here now. Oh my gosh, the tile and it's sparkly. I love it. Let me see. And it's sparkly. Okay, let's see what's around the corner. Click, clack, click, clack.
Oh, this is so
There's a room in there. Oh, I love this place. There's a little bar down there. Oh, a swim-up bar. Here's the villa we're staying at. I was not expecting this. This is crazy. The elevator. Just casual. Casual. 7 stories. Can't see them all.
But they're there.
They're there.
All
Don't
right?
like go up my nose.
Okay, now I won't. Ready?
Oh, I meant
We're just gonna tickle, okay, Sumner? Just don't pull back.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Yeah, you can sneeze if you want.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
That tickles so bad.
Hold still. Tickle time.
Why are you flirting?
Okay, that's it. All right.
That was tickly, right?
It's a sausage.
Okay, no chaser. No chaser. Okay, your turn, no chaser.
I didn't make a face.
No, I got it. It's fine. That's expected with this song.
Face, no face. Or
No
you have to
face.
take another shot.
No face, no chaser.
Oh my god, you're crazy. You made a face.
I ain't a I ain't afraid of shit. Have you ever fucked a gilf? You fucked a 50-year-old? How old? Actually? Is that your thing? That's so sick.
Smells like bubble gum.
Smells good. Ugh. Hat from Target. Yacht from not Target. Yacht from Stop. What? Do it. I could get lost in this boat, honestly. Oh no. Oh my god.
Wait.
Give this.
Here, we're gonna have you walk inside here.
Up here?
Yeah, inside.
Hurry up.
What am I doing?
Thank
you.
Here's our villa.
Oh wait.
Can't talk. MTV.
Welcome to my crib.
Okay.
Would you like a tour?
I already gave a tour.
Oh.
To do only dance moves, no laughs. Wow.
I saw you laughing.
Go.
I didn't mean to do that. The FBI is literally watching us.
Cheers up.
Cheers.
The vodka, and we'll drink all the fucking tequila. Well, Kira, you drank all the tequila last night.
It goes me.
You want one more?
Last night, this is the dinner outfit. We looking fancy. Dinner in house. The rest. And I got you breakfast. Rotten, right? I ate the whole thing. I'm a disgrace. I'm literally